Hello, we are going to set up the 30 pocket corrugate display typically used for seasonal cards. This is the box it's going to come in. It says on here Sellers Publishing, has some nice red and white tape. Out of the box, you're going to pull out the base, and you are also going to have these inside supports. It's important that you place these two sections in the front part of the corrugate, you'll see. So from the bottom, I'm going to put them as an X to support your display. You'll also want to have your flaps folded underneath when you stand it up. So again, you have these as your supports. If you put it in wrong, just take it back out, put it in correctly. Next, you'll want to fold this piece in, and these little tabs are going to slide just like that, creating your shelf. These flaps are going to fold in, and you are going to take your next piece, which is the card tray. This is going to pop up. This tab is going to pop out. Very important that you secure that tab down here in this slot. Otherwise, your cards and your display could fall easily apart. The back side, carefully taking this, you're going to insert your tab like that. Secure. Next, you'll take your header, which is double-sided for whatever holiday you want. You want to take your tabs and slide them in. Then you'll put out your cards.